Yes, you can paint. What do you think?
Okay,
Okay, you're gonna paint. Go upstairs.
let's go.
Go ahead, Noodle. Hop your little bumble butt up there. This carpet's not that bad either, really. Just trying to figure out what all would absolutely have to be done.
Whoa. And then you get to go downstairs.
Okay.
And then you get to go downstairs.
Here's this little room with that.
That would be a good place for a litter box.
There is no good place for a litter box.
Outside's a good place for a litter box. Here's this huge storage area.
Litter box here.
Yeah, off this media room thing.
It's a big room. It's got two big closets. Well, it's got 2 closets plus that.
How long is this?
This huge closet. Okay. Here's the stairs. One big bedroom here.
I'd say about 41 inches.
Big closet. And then another bedroom.
Have you found the bedrooms yet?
You're in it, babe. You have arrived.
This is the bedroom.
Okay, double sink. Ooh, look at this paint. Wow. Somebody's got a decorative flair.
Say something you pull off on the side of it.
Yeah. Wow. Look at those leaves. Okay.
That's all. That's it.
Which way?
What?
I've never done that.
Front door.
They don't feel.
Here's the master. One closet. Going a little left.
I see if it works.
You're so cute. Another closet. And then tile. Bathtub. Nice big bathtub. Walk-in shower. I'm up here.
Bathroom?
Yeah. It's not as bad as I remember.
2 minutes. Nice.
Closet for towels. Nice big bathtub. Oh, and Colin's butt water fountain.
Alright, good day, baby. These are high. That's nice. It's all white.
It's okay. Can fix that. So there's 2 nights. Here's the master bedroom area, fireplace. There's another closet. Yeah, and here's the other closet. Remember, this is the one that had like 3 closets?
What?
3 closets. Remember?
Yeah, nice blinds, that's good. Is this is gas, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Oh, there's not possible.
Yeah.